Do you want to turn your boring texts into fantastic videos using artificial intelligence? Videos like this?
Hello everyone. We are very excited to announce the launch of our new YouTube channel, Miguel Donoso 360, dedicated to financial education, investments, education, technology, current affairs and leisure.
Well, do not miss this video, which I'm going to explain step by step how to do it, and totally free.
Miguel Donoso, and we start after the intro.
Artificial intelligence is increasingly present in our lives. The GPT chat eruption has been the trigger for all of us to be crazy looking for applications that use this type of technology. ChatGPT is nothing more than a chat. That is, it is a machine that answers as if it were a person and from which we can request any type of text. We can ask him to solve an equation for us, we can ask him to summarize a text, to create a story for us, etc. But the usefulness of artificial intelligence is not limited here. There are many other applications that facilitate the work in many jobs. For example, in CopyAI we can generate text much faster. We can ask you to generate, for example, a blog entry, the conclusion. We can use it to create promotional emails or for social media. Here we have an example of what CopyAI is. According to them, they have more than 4 million professionals already working with their tool. We can generate blog content, social media, website copy, e-commerce, etc. Anything related to writing. We also have this same Jasper style, which offers us almost the same as CopyAI. That is, it makes it easier for us to create texts in multiple languages, in this case 29 languages. And what makes it easier for us is that we can write faster. We can give him an idea and he generates the text for us or develops it. We can always ratify him, we can ask him to give us more, etc. Then, we also have artificial intelligence that generates images for us. Here the most famous is DALL-E. Here we have some examples of images generated by this tool. We just have to ask him, for example, to draw us anything with words. That is, draw us one, for example, a robot playing chess. Or a person or a monkey that has a helmet and she automatically generates it. Here we have an astronaut riding a horse. The truth is that its functions are impressive. The quality of the images and the accuracy with which we ask you at all times. In the same style as Stable Diffusion also for obtaining images. Here we have two examples of impressive images. And then we have Mid-June, which is also very fashionable and also serves the same purpose, generating images but through Telegram. Finally, we will also talk about CopyAI, which is a tool very similar to the one I am going to explain below and which is what we have come to see in this video. With this tool we can generate texts that will later be voiced by a presenter. We can choose the appearance of the presenter, we can choose the language in which he is going to read it, etc. And finally the one we are going to use, DIT. With this tool we can generate either people who are going to speak, or who are going to read what we tell them. We have a number of people who already give us the application itself, or we can even upload our image and the application will turn it into an announcer. Or we can generate through AI, a virtual presenter of any kind. Here we see the examples. Or also other products that use pulling from newspaper libraries. We can use old images of our deceased relatives and make them move, even talk.
Here we have one.
But okay, roll and let's go to what interests us. I have told you that we can create videos like the one you have seen previously for free. Let's see, free in quotes. It offers us a demo that will allow us to generate a series of minutes for free. But really if we are interested it is advisable to buy. Here we have the prices of the product. The trial version that is valid for 14 days leaves us 5 minutes of recording, and with it we can use all the presenters that both the premium and the standard ones have. We can generate 15 presenters by artificial intelligence, and in addition to having 20 credits included. Of course, we are going to put a watermark of the company. If we want to generate more minutes we can contract the live plan at $5.99 per month that are 10 minutes, or the Pro at $49.99. Be careful because the live plan does not include the premium presenters that we will now see are the most interesting. But hey, let's see how it would work with a demo.
Let's free trial.
And here the interface appears. The truth is that it is very, very simple. Here it gives us.
In this video he explains how it works and how we should proceed.
It really is very simple. Let's create an account. Here at Guess we can log in or sync up. We can identify ourselves either by email or by using our Google credentials. But to make it faster, I'm going to use my Google credentials. There it said my account. And I have the same interface, but here it already appears that I have 20 credits. The next step would be to create the video. Create video. And here we have all the presenters that we can use. In the video that I have given you as an example, I have used this presenter, but we could have chosen any other. These are high-definition presenters. And then we have the more normal presenters that the result is no longer as spectacular as the first ones. Let's choose, for example, the first boy. What can we configure? Well, first thing is the video. Well, let's put the name video with artificial intelligence. The next thing we can configure is the background color. What do I recommend? Put a background color type chroma. Because then you can remove that background color and put it in your video. And it will be much easier. Then you also have to choose which format. Wide, square or vertical. We are going to leave it wide, which is going to be a video for YouTube. And here on the right we have where we are going to write the text that we want the presenter to read. We have a script or we can upload an audio. If we have recorded the audio, we can upload it here and the presenter will reproduce our voice. But here the interesting thing would be a text. What text are we going to put? Well, very simple. A little text I have here. It is as simple as copying and pasting the text we have. Would you like to create a video with artificial intelligence like this? It's very simple, etc. And we have only 3 options down here. Listen to the text. Add a pause of 0.5 seconds at the point where we are. Or that artificial intelligence continues this text. That is, let this text grow.
We think it is too short, so we say it generates more text. And here it tells us the number of characters we have left. It is the maximum that we can make our presenter read. And here we have language. The language is in American English. What character's voice is it? And the style. Important. Styles is what kind of pronunciation you are going to do. Chat type, angry type, sad, excited, terrified, etc. It is not valid for all languages. For example, in English it does work, but in Spanish it won't work. We are going to pass our text, our language to Spanish, and here we will be able to verify that all the variants are there. That is, Spanish from Argentina, Spanish from Bolivia, from Chile, etc. If I choose Spanish from Spain, they give us only 2 voices. Avina, the feminine, and Alvaro, the masculine. If we leave Alvaro, we will see that here the style option has already been deactivated. It does not allow us to modify the way in which you will speak. Well, we have already chosen the language, we have chosen the voice, and we're going to hear it for the first time.
Would you like to create a video with artificial intelligence like this? It is very simple. I'm Miguel Donoso and I explain it to you step by step in this video.
Do not miss it. As we have seen, we have heard the audio perfectly, but the video has not moved. The video will move at the moment we must generate video, but now we can modify. We have heard the audio, we see if we liked it or not, and we can add more pauses. For example, I want that after the question, I wait a little more. Let's leave it 0.5 second break. And then, before saying don't miss it, another 0.5 second break. Also, we could change this presenter to one generated by artificial intelligence, which had previously commented on it. But well, I prefer to give a realistic tone. If you have noticed, when changing back we have lost the configuration. Then you have to put it back. Be careful, this is how we are going to generate the video. At the moment we generate the video, we will be charged for the credits. It's that simple, we don't have to do anything anymore. Right now I generate the video. Press generate video, and he begins to give the information that is going to cost us. That is, the video lasts 14 seconds. The name is going to be video with artificial intelligence, and we are going to use, I am going to use in this case, a credit of the 20 that I have left. Can I cancel or generate? Well, I say yes. If you saw here, there is the watermark that he has given us. We generate, depending on the length of the video. This process will last more or less. Right now it is generating the video, and when it's done, we'll have it in our available library, video library, so we can download it. Well, it has already appeared to us. We already have our video here. Let's see how it turned out.
Would you like to create a video with artificial intelligence like this? It is very simple. I'm Miguel Donoso and I explain it to you step by step in this video. Do not miss it.
As we check, we can see that the mouth follows the words that we are supposed to have written to it. Now we could share or download it. If we click on download, the video has already been downloaded and we can use it with our editing program at any time. You can already be at this. All the videos that we generate will be in our library, and here we will still enjoy 19 extra credits. So far the operation of the program is very, very simple. We must also take into account that this type of video can be used to convert a text that we have bored, since it is a kind of newsreel, some news. But neither is it a kind of video, a type of video that we can use at any time, because in the end it will become repetitive. Because if you realize, the gestures of the character of the presenter are very limited. The movement of the head, hands, etc. But hey, to introduce it at some point in our blog, in our YouTube channel, in our classes, it can be useful to us. And now here is the trick that I mentioned earlier. They give us 20 extra credits for each account. If you only want to record 2 or 3 small videos, perhaps you will not have enough with a single account. The trick is as simple as having multiple accounts. You can have several accounts and register them with each of the accounts. And so you will have the 20 credits for each account. You can also use a trick that I will explain to you on the channel on how to have an infinite number of accounts with a Gmail account. Then with the same account, that all the emails would arrive to that account. You can sign up. Well, nothing more. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, you will do me a great favor by giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. And see you in the next video. See you later.